Hello everybody, in this video we are going to solve problem number 5.42 and 43 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadikus 5th edition. As well as we will solve the problems from 6th edition also. Okay, let's get started. Here you are given the values of the input resistors and you are asked to find out the feedback resistor value for the averaging amplifier. So for the 3 input summing amplifier, that is for this 5.42 3 input summing amplifier, the formula is minus V0 is equal to RF divided by R into V1 plus V2 plus V3. So in this we need to bother about this RF by R only. For 3 input averaging amplifier, this RF by R becomes 1 by 3. So you can write this 1 by 3 is equal to RF by R. RF is equal to R by 3. So RF is asked. So you can substitute for this R value as 75 kilo ohm, which is given here. So 75 kilo ohm divided by 3 means you'll get the answer as 25 kilo ohm. In the same way, you can get the solution for this 5.43. So this is also coming under summing amplifier, averaging amplifier. So here you have 4 inputs. That's why you have the term RF by R becomes 1 by 4. So on that case, RF can be written as R by 4. So RF is equal to 80 kilo ohm divided by 4 because you have all these input resistor values given as 80 kilo ohm. So RF is equal to 20 kilo ohm. This is the answer. So when you refer this 6th edition, here the feedback resistance values are given and you are asked to find out R1, R2, R3 values. So what's the formula? It is RF by R. Okay. So if it is 3 input for 5.42, then it is equal to 1 by 3. So what are the values we need to find out? We need to find out R. So R is equal to 3 times RF. So RF is given, right? Feedback resistor value is given as 50. So it is 50 kilo ohm, 10 power 3. So that you'll get the value as 150 kilo ohm. This is for R. That means R1 is equal to R2. That is equal to R3. So that is equal to 150 kilo ohm. So all the input resistor values are 150 kilo ohm each. Similarly for 5.43, the same formula RF by R, that is equal to 1 by 5 as we have 5 input averaging summing amplifier. So given is the feedback resistor, so we need to find out R. R is equal to 5 times RF. So what is RF value here? It is 40 kilo ohm. That means R values are 200 kilo ohms. So you can write the answer as R1 is equal to, R2 is equal to, R3 is equal to, R4, which is again equal to R5, that is equal to 200 kilo. So this is your answer for 5.43 and this is your answer for 5.42 of 6th edition. Okay, thank you.